Welcome back, viewers. Today I am going to trim and train my bougainvillea. This is the plant, and you can see it is getting bushier here, and you can see it is planted outside my gate, and I want this vine to reach the roof of my house. To do that, I need to cut it and trim it. Just trim all the new growth and old growth and leave the longer branches, and then after that you can tie them like this, and you can see this is for trimming and this is after trimming. If like the video, share and subscribe to our channel. Happy gardening.